So hello there. So first time with audio, so just don't blame me if it maybe kind of sucked or maybe you can't even hear me yet. So I try to keep my best. So just explain a few stuff today. I'm gonna expand the math library for me, like the CP math. And let's see what we're gonna do today. So super spontaneous. I don't have a script or something, so I just wanna start right away. It's like a live stream, but it isn't a live stream. I won't talk very that often, honestly, but I'll try to explain some stuff and yeah, and yapping around, So, well, not enough talking for me, so, let's start. So, yeah, personally, I also have prepared some stuff over here, so I've wrote some stuff down. I don't know if it works yet, but we'll see eventually. Okay, so, let's start. So we need a min and max function and function for absolute value and clamp. That should be easy, so let's type it up, see if it works. Point of offset, yes, I know it's an offset, but it's intentional, so I don't care about warning at all. Okay, then I make a function to give the actual row by value, entire row. Just should make a row copy. Well, oh yeah, and we have an output. Like we have to pass a pointer to float, and then you're just gonna fill with the data from the row of metrics. Then you just copy the memory. One pointer, one to the output. From where? Well, from our A. Yes, from our row. So it just recalls like how many floats or characters a row has, and we multiply it with how big the float is actually. This should give us a total row size. Very cool stuff. Let me look at my notes, what I else wanted to do. Oh yeah, get the size and some basic metrics, multiplication, addition, and all this, like really simple stuff. Turn the actual size of this vector. Yes. I have a member variable which is called size, which just has the size of a vector. So that should be already it for addition. Actually, so copy everything across this code. So we need the other functions. For later, different vectors like vector arrows, like with two floats, like 2 dimensions and 3 dimensions. Okay, type define struct. This just has x, y, z. The simple stuff. We call it vec3 floats, or not vec2. That's what we're gonna do now. I've done by line. Vision mode. Still trying to get used to deal them actually. Or at least I've used it pretty much, but haven't actually done the bindings and training my limb motions. I should do it someday. Well, anyways, some math operations. Okay, I write it like this because there is also a ORF from the math library, so don't get confused. This verify that I'm using mine, which do every other math operation too. Like, there's no other choice. I also have some like naming collisions. Maybe tangent functions maybe not that optimized. I don't actually know what difference is, but well, I just call this 2 function. Divide them like this. This should return tangent. Okay, so someday maybe I can look if it actually may impact performance. It is better to just write it out like an sine and cosine function. Just the first time, and I still have to get used to it, so I don't expect it to do some stuff like this actually. Even when I was younger, but not now. I'm busy with other stuff. That's maybe why I can't maybe do that much of these videos, or maybe in the future. But we'll see. I'm just doing this YouTube channel just to show some progress and like share my experiences with you, maybe inspire you to program as well, because I think programming is quite a lot of fun. I already made some games, a graphics engine actually also, so I made Minecraft, Flappy Bird and all of that stuff, and now I'm doing some libraries like in C, like the other stuff I done in C++. That's really cool. I also made a new network library. You can also use it like a digit recognition AI with the MNIST database. Maybe I'll also rewrite this in C actually. Maybe I'll make a video about this too. We'll see. Okay, I'll just continue with this now. See what I have left to do. It's all basic back to stuff like math, like some linear algebra going on here. Like C and C++, they read from top to bottom. So if CPA does not exist before and we want to call it here, it's an error. right? The CPA is not declared yet. That's why we're doing this, so we can compile this stuff. We should be good now. This should work. 9. Master is ready. I'll need to put this function to main that we actually do stuff below. And now program is ready. Go. This math. This file. No. No, perfect. Maybe I'll just stop here, I think. Maybe I'll make just a separate video about all of this. So, well, I hope you like it yet. The first time, so feel free to say what you think. Maybe some improvements for me to learn. Like my first time, like I already said. I really want to improve the way I do this stuff. And maybe I'll do better myself to showing people how I do stuff. I think it's really cool to share to other people and maybe spread the word that everyone should use C. Well, don't know if that works, but I mean, we'll see eventually, right? So of course, I hope you like this video yet. So you can comment or like or whatever you do on YouTube. So yeah, I think I'm already talking too much, so I just say goodbye for now, please. So until next time.